You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more coffee names, including Italian coffee names that are particularly confusing and particularly mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. Espresso, that's your Italian pronunciation, espresso. In English it's espresso, okay? Not espresso. Too many people put an X there. There's no X. Espresso con panna. Panna is Italian for cream. Panna, you need to stress on that double N. Espresso con panna, Italian pronunciation, or in English, espresso con panna. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.